Ito ang maraming kamyas. Tinira ng mag-apo. Ayan. Oh, ang dami oh. Libre lang yan. Ha? Nasaan? Ayan na. Ganyan ang buhay sa Hawaii. Ayan, ang dami oh.
Nahulog lang naman eh.
Nasaan yung tao? Nakita ba? Wala, kahit may tao, wala naman kumakakunin. Pero wag mo na kukunin naman lahat. Ay, babalik tayo dito. Matagal pa, mayinog yan. Tana. Wala. Ito ang may paros-paros. Paros-paros. Ha? May tawa tayo. Hindi bawal ha? Paros-paros. Nasaan ka? Paros-paros. Eh, bato ito. Anak puta. Paros-paros. Wala eh. Ayun. One. Isa-isa lang ano.
Sa gilid marami.
Paros-paros ng buhay ko. May tak na igara. Oh, isa lang. Yan ang nakuha ni Jayla. Yan. Nasaan na? Marami na rin. Come here. Yeah. Come. Go. Nandun yan, sapa yan. Magpapunta doon sa dagat. Pero matabag ng tubig na yun. Inisakyan natin nandun. Ay, lilipat na ako. Dito na lang kayo duman, oh. Mababaw lang. Lipat na kami. Aray. Pag magpupunta ka dito, dapat mayroon kang ano, spray ng lamok. Maraming lamok. Pero ako nagdala na ako. Okay. Nga mahulog itong ano, cellphone. Okay, nandito tayo sa tabi na ng beach yan. At nakapark tayo dito. Ayan, maraming tao. Pero walang pakialamang mayan. Dahil dito ay walang pakialaman. At ito, si Jayla. Siyempre yan, paborito nga po. At naman si kain. Kasama si Jackie nandyan. At nagdala ko ng trap. Nakakuha ko ng isang tilapia kanina ng tronet. Yan. Tatapon natin dyan. At mamaya, tingnan nyo. Maraming ano yan. Mayroong nakuhang prawn. Okay. Agis natin ano. Marami dito yan. Okay. Hawak-hawak ko yung camera kaya medyo mahirap. Isang kamay lang. Babain natin itong dinala ko itong fishing ano ko talaga eh. Mahal ito. Yung tali na ganito. Isang ganito siguro 150. Pero hindi ko naman sinisira eh. Ginagamit ko lang sa ganito. Para nakuha natin yung kasi may malalim paputik dyan ha. Parang hindi na tayo bumaba sa tubig. Okay. Yan, nagis natin. Kailangan doon. Yan. Pasok Susubukan nila yan. Naamoy na nila yan. Eh? Ito tayo. Kakain muna tayo. Habang kakain ay pwede natin dito ito. Eh? Okay. Maraming tao. Okay. Anong ulam natin? Maghugas tayo ng kamay. Mayroon akong dalang tubig na ano. Yan. Hey, what you doing? You crazy? What you doing? No, you're not. Hey, stop it.
Itali mo naman dyan, oh. Ilalo niya yung kumakain tayo.
Ito ang nakuha nilang pako. Ay, si Char, nasan?
Bakit naman ang ulam?
Ay, gusto ko yung si Char.
Pag binuksan mo yan, luhala ng buko.
Bakala kumakain ka kanina.
Yung chicken, oh.
Nakain lahat.
Iba yun, oh.
O yun, wala na.
Wala na. Mano tayo, eh. Because,
Hey, Jackie, come here. Tanggal na, tanggal. Hey, Jackie. Come here. Huh? What is that? They're trying to catch crocodile. So windy. You like t-shirt? I got t-shirt. There, he catch the. Wait, Alexi. Oh shit. Oh, it's got one, Jayla. Yay. Okay, we go. We go somewhere. Marami dito. Small, bring the empty bucket. Put the other side, that one. Or put anywhere. There. Just go in the side like that. No need throw in the far away. Wala pa? Uy nga po mo, nakahuli na. Magaling sa sayo ah. Narating niya. Maraming talapia dito. Talapia at prawns. Wala naman kumagat sa'yo. Mayroon pa yung bait niya. Ang kaganyan, kaganda ang Hawaii. Dati magdala kami ng mesa, table at sa upuan. Pero maliit kasi yung sasakyan. So pag yung malaking truck, babalik kami. Yan ang dagat, oh, maraming tao. Oh, lalaki ng alon, oh. Yan, mahangin masyado, oh. Malakas ang hangin. Kapag nagpunta kayo sa dagat, yan, ulitin ko kasi wala ng baterya yung yung GoPro. Pag nagpunta kayo sa dagat, nandiyan ang sakyan nyo. Pagdating nyo sa bahay, sprayan nyo lahat yan. Sa itaas, sa baba, lahat. Sprayan nyo lang, hindi mo na kailangan ugasan ng. Kaya yung mga iba nasisira dito eh. Kasi yung mahalat ang hangin na yan. Sprayan mo lahat para mawala yung salty. Yung asawa ko yan, oh, naganda. Hindi ka na magkapo ng maganda, no? Hindi yan. My baby. What's happened to this one? Itchy.
Oh, no touch.
No boyfriend yet? No more kuling-kuling yet? Apo, give me one baby, ha? Give me one already. I like one more apo from you. When you can give me, when I make like this already, when I walk? Like that? No, can? But you go to school, you gotta finish your school. But you can finish your school even you're pregnant. Not. You don't want? Okay. You're the oldest.
I'm not now, though. I'm literally...
Look. Ooh. High, too high there. Ito ang YPO. Respect the YPO. Hoy! How come... Respect the YPO. I'll throw rabbits, yeah. Okay. Hey, give chicken again.
Ay, kumakain ako. Ay,
Okay, Mambay, when you finish, okay. Oh, Jella Kawan! Yay! Yay!
Can you help me?
That's your problem. Oh, Tere! No more for you! Bring the bucket this side. No. See, they only in the side. Oh, Jella, put this one first. That's your shirt.
I'm fine.
Come on! No more boys here.
I'm here.
What kind? Alexei? Oh, Teresita cut one too. Yay! Hallelujah! Where you put? I never see him yet. Okay. Get bucket there. What about my trap? You know, like go inside. No more. Inulagtat the bulate. Earthworm. Why? Inulagtat the bulate. Ayaw niyang hawakan yung bulate. Yun, takot siya. Jackie, come here. How come you get excited? Huh? Come here. I like you ikaw. Oh. Jackie's Jeprox. Look. Nakaraan. Laki sa layaw, Jeprox. Ako, hindi ako mahilig mag-fishing ng mga talapia. Wala akong tiyaga. Okay. Well, you throw in the same place, anak. Where's your bulate? Okay. What's that? The kind you going stuck? Yes, right there, yeah. Oh, you leap up every time, Terry. You take them. Give money? Oh, throw away. Maybe you get the asshole.
Stop!
Just leave them here. Right there. Plenty rabbits. Like still alive. There's the crocodile inside. You throw rubbish, die stupid. Wala siguro budang dito, wala oh. I go move my trap. Leave them alone, you go and take them. No more already. No more you bait, baby. It's not this too. What you going to tangle? Okay. Jayla cuts again, look. Cut one again. Get the, how many you cut now?
I don't know. 2.
Ito yung nakuha ni Jayla. Dalawang tilapia, isang namamatay na ano ba yan? Ay, buhay pa yun sa yung ano biya, isang biya. Nagdadive sila. Kinukuha ng mga ano yung okay. Nakuha mo. You got crocodile. Oh, marami din pala. Okay. Meron na tayong ulam. Kung wala na, tanong natin si Wilson. Bili. Oh, sige. Hintayin ka namin. Ayaw na niya. Hintayin ka dito. Sige. Maupo kami dito. Yeah, Jackie. Go sit down here. And wait. Mama. Mama nga sol. Tumatakas oh. Saan ka pupunta? Ito naman ang nakuha ng trap ko. 3 lang. Okay na yan. Ang problema yun, ano palabasin. Ay still alive. Balay. Okay, alis na kami. Where's the one you cut? I cut 3 ipon, 3 shrimp. Angela cut the isda. What are we gonna put now? Hi. Come on. Good boy. Whose dog this one? Hey, Jackie now. Look, nice the road. Nice the road now. Look, no more the muddy. Yeah, Jela. No more the puka here. Jela, you understand the Hawaiian? Not even one? How come Hela? You understand?
I like Hawaiian. She goes to a Hawaiian school.
Oh, okay.
Here, do this.
No, broken. I mean, no more battery. This one. Nice car, just like that.
They probably took it out. Yeah, that's.
I think even it's jet already.
I remember. Yeah, I was trying to look for the other car over there.
Before, no more like this. No, even some bad people does, you know, don't believe like this.
Oh, this is how
Too much time. Pine tree. Not pine tree.
wala na atang tourist na mga babawa doon.
Okay, the tourist taking place over there. Because we become Aglidi Road. With my English, Jenna. I was graduating college by my kids play of Philippines. Oh, good. The electric here, yeah? With the light.
Are people allowed to come here at night?
They come, but it is no only one night, yeah? Oh, get the signal already?
No. Your phone's at 5. You should charge your phone.
Ito ang nakuha namin. Susundagol. At saka ito, paros-paros. At saka, hey, no drink that one. Stupid. And talapia. Yan ang mga talapia. Pa, meron pa palang buhay dito. Lagay ko sa pispan ko yung buhay. Isa lang na tayong buhay.